Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Today we will do the previous year question paper of the 2023 set CC for grade 7. Okay, let's start with the question number 25. Sweta and Raj both start from a point towards the north. Sweta turns to left after walking 10 km. Raj turns to right after walking the same distance. Sweta waits for some time and then walk another 7 km. Whereas Raj walks 8 kilometers, they both then turn to their respective south and walk 15 kilometers forward. How far is Sweta from Raj? Okay, so let's start. Both have started from the same point. This is Sweta path and this is Raj path. Both path is same. Okay? But after walking 10 kilometers, Shweta has turned in the left direction. यही है ना हाँ Shweta has turned in the left direction and she walked for 7 kilometers. I'm just writing here Shweta and Raj walked right side in the opposite of it and he walked 8 kilometers. This is Raj. ठीक है after some time walking means this distance they both have turned to their south means they both will come in the downward direction. ठीक है and after coming the south direction they walked for 15 kilometers. From here it is also this is also 15 kilometers. So this is 15, this is 15 and this is Sweta path and this is Raj path. Now they have stopped at this point after walking the 15 kilometer only. So what will be the distance between them right now? So we can see it is making a rectangle and this should be equal to this. So 7 plus 8, 15. It means both are now 15 kilometer away from each other. Okay? That's the option A. The 25th answer is option A. Question number 26. Four girls A, B, C, D are sitting around circle facing the center. ठीक है B and C are in front of each other. Which of the following is definitely true? ठीक है तो suppose this is B, this is C, this is the center. B and C both are facing each other. तो अभी ये दोनों एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं. Okay. Now so it should be A, it should be your D, the remaining one. So A and B are in front of each other. ये दोनों no wrong. A is not between B and C. Yes, A is between B and C. This is also wrong. B is to the left of C. So B is the left of C. This is also wrong. A is to the left of C. A is in the left of C. Yes, it is the left direction. It is the right direction. Yes. So D option is correct. The 26th answer will be option D. Question number 27. Three different positions of same dice are shown below. If the number on the face opposite to the side face showing 4 is, what will be 4? So we can notice 1 and adjacent to 1 is 5 and 2. Okay? It means adjacent to 1 can be your 3, can be your 6 or can be your 4. This 3. Okay? But you can notice 5 is adjacent, ठीक है but 4 is also adjacent to 1. So it means 4 is cancelled and 4's adjacent is 6. ठीक है so there may be 1's adjacent may be 3, may be 6. So let's see it can be or not. ठीक है, नाउ वी आर विद टू, टू के एडजेसेंट क्या होगा, तो टू के अपोजिट क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी द अपोजिट ऑफ द टू, वन कांट बी, ठीक, फाइव कांट बी, टू के अपोजिट ना तो वन हो सकता है ना तो फाइव हो सकता है, एंड वी कैन सी फोर्स एडजेसेंट इज सिक्स, ये फोर के एडजेसेंट में सिक्स है, और तो सिक्स कैन बी अपोजिट ऑफ वन, इट मीन्स वन के अपोजिट में ये होगा, थ्री इसके अपोजिट नहीं हो सकता है, ठीक है, एंड तो टू के साथ हो जाएगा आपका, इट मीन्स अपोजिट ऑफ टू, टू मीन्स दिस साइड, तो अपोजिट ऑफ टू विल बी फोर एंड थ्री विल बी योर फाइव, तो वन सिक्स टू फोर थ्री फाइव, दिस विल बी द अरेंजमेंट, तो फेस शोइंग द फोर, इसके पीछे जाएगा आपका टू, ऑप्शन ए, तो 27th आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 28, फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर, ठीक है, तो व्हाट इज द पैटर्न हियर, वी नीड टू फाइंड द पैटर्न, ठीक है, तो इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू एंड मल्टीप्लाई दिस टू एंड एड बोथ ऑफ देम, तो 6 multiply by 8, 48, 5 twos are 10 equal to, no, we have to subtract, so this is your 38, after subtracting 38, okay, not so check with this also first, 10 fives are 50 and 4 eights are 32, after subtraction you will get 18, so this will be your 12 sixes are 72, 18 twos are 36, answer will be 36, ठीक है, it is in the option number C, the 28th answer is option C. Question 9, how many triangles are there in the figure, ठीक है, तो how many triangles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, okay, now this one 12 13, this one 14, ठीक है, now this one 15, 15, and then this one 16, this one 17, ठीक है, 17, तो इसका मतलब है इट इज मोर बिटवीन 15 to 22, आंसर विल बी बी, 29th आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, if the seventh day of the month is 3 days earlier than Friday, then what will be on the 21st day of the month, तो सेवेंथ डे होगा 3 day earlier than Friday, it means Friday, Thursday, Wednesday and Tuesday, तो seventh day is the Tuesday, तो seventh will be Tuesday, तो it means 14th will be again Tuesday, ठीक है, no, 15th will be again Tuesday and 21 will be again Tuesday, ठीक है, it is in the option number D, तो 38th answer will be option. Question number 31, in the shown figure angle BAD equal to 2 angle DAC, angle B equal to angle C plus 48 and angle ADC equal to 132 degree, find the angle BAC, so in triangle ABC we can write as angle A plus angle B plus angle C will be 180 degree as per the angle law of the triangles. Angle A can be written as 3 angle DAC because 2 DAC this one plus DAC 3 DAC. Angle C is here, angle B is here, angle C plus 48 degree and angle C will be as it is. So we can just write here 3D angle 3DAC plus angle C plus 48 degree plus angle C should be equal to 180 degree. This implies I can just write it like this. देखो angle DAC plus 2 into angle DAC plus angle C in the bracket, as angle C plus angle C will be 2 angle C, and DAC I have written as angle DAC plus 2 DAC, and 2 as the common factor. This will be equal to 180 degree minus 48 degree, that is your 132 degree. ठीक है. Now angle DAC is this one, angle C is this one, and ADC is given 132 degree. So in triangle ADC, I can write it as angle DAC plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree minus 132 degree, that is your 48 degree. Angle DAC plus angle C can be written as 48 degree. Angle DAC plus 2 into 48 degree equal to 132 degree. So this implies angle DAC will be 132 minus 96, that is your 36 degree. And we need to find angle BAC. So angle BAC equal to 3 angle DAC multiply by 36 degree, that is your 108 degree. It is in the option number C. So 31 answer will be option C. Question number 32. A cow grazed a circular park with 2/5 of the area wet, 7/5 of the area was dry, and 1/21 of the area was green. If the remaining area is 135 meter square, what was dug, then the area of the park which was dry. So suppose the total area is X. Total area equal to X. So wet area will be 2 by 5x. ठीक है. And dry area 7 by 15x. 7 by 15x. And 1 by 21st area is green. So it means 1 by 21x is green. ठीक है. तो total of this equal to 96 upon 105x. ठीक है. तो remaining area will be equal to x minus 96x upon 105, that is your 9x upon 105. And according to question, the remaining area is equal to 135. So 9x upon 105 should be equal to 135. This implies x equal to 135 multiplied by 105 upon 9 will be equal to 1575 meter square. We need to find the dry area. तो dry is 715. ठीक है. तो dry area equal to 7 by 15 of 1575. 15 ones are, zeros are, fives are, 105s are 735 meter square. It is in the option number D. The 32nd answer will be option D. Question number 33. A sum of 13,525 is made up of rupees 50, 20, 10 and 5 notes. Okay. The number of 10 rupee notes is for 25 upon 42 of the number of 50 rupee notes, and 5 by 3 of the number of 5 rupees notes, and 25 by 14 of the 20 rupee note. Find the sum of the number of notes of each denomination. तो सपोज द 10 रुपी नोट इज x, 10 रुपीज के x नोट है, तो इट शुड बी इक्वल टू 25 अपॉन 42 ऑफ द 50 रुपी नोट. तो इट मीन्स रुपीज 50 नोट्स should be equal to 42x upon 25. Rupees 5 notes will be equal to 3x by 5, and rupees 20 notes should be equal to your 14 by 25x. So what is the value of these notes? तो रुपीज 50 के कितने पैसे बनेंगे? तो it will be your 42x upon 25 multiply by 50 plus 5 रुपीज के कितने पैसे बनेंगे? 3x upon 5 multiply by 5 प्लस 20 रुपीज के कितने पैसे बनेंगे? 14x by 25 multiply by 20 plus 10 rupees के x multiply by 10. This all money should be equal to 13,525. ठीक है? Now simplify it. So 25 2s are 5 cancel, 5 4s are and 5 5s are. ठीक है? तो this will be equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 84x plus 3x plus 56 by 5x plus 10x equal to 13,525. ठीक है? When you add all of them, so you will get 541x upon 5 equal to 13,525. This implies x equal to 13,525 multiplied by 5 upon 541. After simplification, you will get x equal to 125. ठीक है? तो x rupees notes are 10 rupee notes are 10 के हो जाएंगे x. This is your 125. 50 के हैं आपके 42x upon 50. तो ये हो गए after solving it will be your 210 और 5 रुपी के हो जाएंगे 3 by 5x. तो this implies your 75 और 20 के हो जाएंगे आपके 14 by 25x. तो this implies your 70x. Total number of notes of the various denomination will be your 480 notes. It is in the option number B. The 33rd answer is option B. Question number 34. A large square is made up by arranging a small square surrounded by 4 congruent rectangles as shown in the figure. Find the total area of all the identical rectangles given if the perimeter of each of the rectangle is 93 centimeter and the area of the smaller square is 110.25 centimeter square. तो ठीक है. Suppose the length of the rectangle is L and breadth of the rectangle is B. So we can just write L plus B. This is your L plus B. This is also your L plus B and this is also your L plus B. It means L plus L plus L plus L. 4L plus 4B. 4L plus B should be equal to 93 centimeter. So this implies L plus B equal to 46.5 centimeter. ठीक है? Now the area, this is your L minus B. So we can just write it L minus B square should be equal to 110.25. So this implies L minus B is equal to, this is your equation 1 and it should be 10.5. This is equation 2. ठीक है? तो 1 plus 2 will be 2L equal to 0, 6 plus 1, 7, 4 plus 1, 5, 57.0. ठीक है? तो this implies L equal to 28.5 centimeter. तो B will be equal to L plus B, L minus B equal to 10.5. It should be your 18 centimeter. Now area, we have to just find the area, total area of all identical rectangles. So total area of all identical rectangle should be 4 multiplied by its length, 28.5 multiplied by its breadth, that is your 18 centimeter. It will come 2052 centimeter square. It is in the option number C. The 34th answer is option C. Question number 35. If 11, 19 and m are sides of an acute angled triangle, then how many integer values of m are possible? ठीक है? तो since these are the sides of a triangle, so it must be m plus 11 must be greater than 19. This implies m must be greater than 8 and m plus 19 must be greater than 11. But here we can see this will be always 11 for all the positive value of m because 19 is already greater than 11. ठीक है? तो m should be greater than 8. Another one, m should be less than 11 plus 19. So this implies m should be less than 30. ठीक है? So it means m's value will lie between 8 and 30. So m will be greater than 8 and m should be less than 30. तो m के वैल्यूज जो होंगे 8 और 30 के बीच में होने चाहिए. ठीक है? तो व्हाट कैन दोज वैल्यू कैन बी योर 9 से शुरू हो जाएगा ये 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. ठीक है? 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and so on till 30. Okay. Now, another condition for being the side of an acute angle triangle will be 11 square plus 19 square should be greater than m square. ठीक है? So this implies 482 after will be greater than m square. ठीक है? And m square plus 11 square should be greater than 19 square. It means m square should be greater than your 240. तो another 240 it is. ठीक है? तो another condition is m square value of m square should lie between 240 and 482. ठीक है? Now, see whose value is between this. If we take 9, 9 nines are 81, less than 240, cross 10 tens are 100, cross 11 elevens are 121, cross 12 12s are 144, cross 13 13s are 169, cross 14 14s are 196, cross 15 15s are 225, cross. Now 16 16s are 256. So 16 will be selected because 256 is more than 240. ठीक है? 17 17s are 289, बड़ा है इससे छोटा है इससे. 18 18s are 324, 19 19s are 361, 20 20s are 400, 21 21s are 441 and 22 22s are 484. So again 484 is greater than 282. So it means m's value can be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So it means their value can be 6. ठीक है? So 35th answer will be option B. Okay? Hope you understood all the questions explained for this previous year question paper. Stay tuned for the next paper which I will solve in the coming video. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe this channel because you are going to get many tutorial videos for your Olympiad exam preparation. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.